How did I make 5,800 from YouTube in just 7 days with less than 500 subscribers? Spoiler, it wasn't by dancing on TikTok, going viral, or hiring some fancy $100 per video editor. Here's the truth. The game has completely changed. Artificial intelligence has lowered the barrier to entry for content creation to almost zero. And YouTube, it's the biggest launch pad for regular people to turn simple content into money. We're not talking about celebrities or influencers. We're talking about beginners with no audience, no expensive gear, and no editing team, creating videos that keep paying them commissions over and over again. Heck, even people over 80 have started YouTube channels in the last year with a simple iPhone, and they're crushing it. One of them just launched their very first video just 11 months ago, a simple 8-minute video, just talking to the camera, just like I'm talking to you right now, or with a phone. And it's already pulling in results most younger creators only dream about. And I know this works because I did it myself. On a tiny channel with less than 500 subscribers, I made $5,800 in just 5 days. No ads, no crazy production, just the right system. You'll actually see the screenshot below of my account with those numbers coming in. But right now, it's the perfect storm for you. AI makes creating content faster than ever. That's number one. Number two, YouTube rewards authentic buyer-focused videos. So you don't have to be like all splashy guru kind of editing videos. And number three, affiliate offers you can monetize from day one. All you have to do is one video a week that takes 2 hours or less per week. And it's got to be about 10 minutes or so long. And you build it using a simple system that turns your videos into what I call cash commission pops. And because I know how easy it is to get excited, like maybe you're excited watching this video right now, and then you buy it, and then maybe you don't come back to it. I've kind of built in something to make sure this never becomes digital dust on your hard drive. I built in accountability and fun. As you buy Channel Profit Sprint, you're going to get it delivered to you in a 7-day challenge or sprint, a money sprint. And here's how it works. Each day you get one small doable mission. You go ahead and do it. You basically then report back to me daily for those 7 days that you did it. And by the end of the 7 days, you get your very first commission generating YouTube video live and working for you 24/7. And I've baked in $1,000 worth reward for you as well if you complete each mission. And by the way, each mission does not take that long, probably less than 20 minutes a day. Okay. So talk about built-in accountability, right? To keep you moving, keep you motivated. And I'm kind of doing it to make sure you don't ghost your own success. And it makes the process simple and fun while you're building something that can literally pay you for years to come. And I don't just joke about that. Like a YouTube video I've posted 6 months ago is still making me money today because YouTube still delivers viewers to it every day. And that's without any type of ads behind it. It's all organic. So if you're thinking, Maria, this sounds good, but I'm heading on vacation or I got too much on my plate this week, I can't start this right now. Well, don't stress. Once you're in, you got lifetime access. You can binge the 7 days in a row, spread it out, or come back to it whenever you're ready. The system works in your time, not the other way around. So cheers to that, right? Oh, and by the way, it's not just me. Carrie plugged in a new channel using my system, and she started seeing $900 cash pops from a product that she never created. She's making money off of it. And she didn't have to create the whole product or worry about customer service. So if it worked for her, it can work for me. I really believe it can work for you. So here's the offer. When you join today, you're getting the Channel Profit Sprint system, which is definitely worth well over $500, but you're not going to pay that. And you're also going to get some bonuses, like bonus number one, plug and post script templates. Struggling with what to say on camera? You'll get access to my AI script writer bot. I kind of call it Maria's $1 million AI bot, and it's trained on thousands of winning videos across multiple niches. Just tell it your topic, and in 60 seconds or less, it spits out a ready-to-use script designed to attract buyers and drive clicks to your affiliate offers. Just copy, paste, record, and post. Now, there's other bonuses that are super sexy. All you have to do is check it out below, and you're going to see that the value of all of the 7-day challenge and the bonuses is well worth over $1,000. But the thing is, you're not going to pay $1,000 today. Now, it's not even going to be $500, not even going to be $97. You can get in for just $17.97. That's right. The catch, only this week. And the super catch, I'd highly suggest you buy it today before something distracts you and you get off the computer screen. I'm going to come back and buy it, Maria. And then you forget because it's not going to last at this price for long. And that's less than 2 Starbucks runs, right? Except instead of a caffeine crash, this system is going to fuel your bank account. So right now, YouTube is the single biggest opportunity for beginners to make money online. Organic reach is exploding. Competition is still low. It's totally free for you to upload a video on YouTube. So why wouldn't you want to get in on this, right? It's a simple buyer-focused content that you create that brings in commissions for you. And the thing is, this crazy low investment of $17.97 for you to become a wildly profitable YouTube channel owner is going to disappear soon. So I highly advise that you click the button below, grab Channel Profit Sprint for just $17.97, and let's get your first commission generating video live this week. After you see your first affiliate commission or commissions hit your account, the $17.97 price tag becomes irrelevant, and it'll feel like the smartest investment you've ever made to help you start making money online. So let's get your commission generating video live this week. Love to see you join the challenge. Cheers.